Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to give a review plus difference between L'Oreal Total Repair 5 Serum and L'Oreal Paris Smooth Intense Serum. So you have asked that what is the difference between both. So at first let me tell you, this hair serum is for smoothing and repairing unmanageable and damaged hair. So if you have damaged hair, like it's dry out and it's split ends is going on, then you can use this one, that is Total Repair 5, and this one is for those which will give you intense smoothness because it's enriched with argan oil and it's for dry hair. Okay, so this one is for unmanageable damaged hair and this one is for transforms unruly hair to smooth management hair. So I basically use both of them, but in winter basically I use this one, and whole round the year I use Total Repair 5. They both are same actually. To look, just take a drop. You have asked their color is same or not. Let me tell you the consistency. Consistency is same, but it will work both in different way. So this is the difference between L'Oreal Total Repair 5 and L'Oreal Smooth Intense Hair Serum. Hope this video would be useful for you. That's all for today. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.